Hello, we're going to do a little walk around demonstration video on this 2015 Chrysler Town & Country. I'll point out any items as we come across them. There's a few dings, dents, scratches on this front bumper edge here. Other than that, the vehicle's in very nice shape. It's really clean looking with this gold exterior, and the chrome accents makes it look more luxurious than just a standard accessible vehicle. Good tires on it all the way around. We got a little scrape here on that rear bumper. This is built by AMS, so they finished the rear end real nice with this cap, and then they have these caps on the bumper where they modified those. Overall, vehicle's in really nice shape, inside and out. Let's check out how that rear access works. So, with the vehicle unlocked, you can either click the button here or pull the manual door open, because this does have a power rear lift gate. And then we're going to grab this handle here and you just pull out on it, and then it's all manual. And that ramp is 32 inches wide. It's a nice wide ramp there. There's a spring assist, so when you lift up the ramp, it helps pull it up for you. So it's real nice, light, easy to use aluminum. It's got this really nice grippy rubberized floor coating. And then this is a shortcut, so it's a single rear wheelchair passenger setup. So the passenger in the wheelchair would sit there. We have tie downs in that bag there that would anchor to the floor. So you have two up front, two in the mid and the back, and then you have a seat belt harness that attaches. So you have a 3-point seat belt on this car. And then the seats here in this mid row are fixed. You have two bucket seats with kind of a center console in between. And then that way the person in the back row can see through and look up. And then they modified the rear floor here so it has the rubberized flooring all the way up. And then in the front area, traditionally on a rear entry van, from here forward is never modified. So that's kind of the same story here. You do have dual power doors on either side. You can click with the button or the remote, and then you've got a nice cockpit here with touchscreen, tri-zone AC, heat, buttons for your steering wheel. Here's the buttons for the doors, and you could always turn those off if you want them to be manual as well. Overall, like I said, vehicle's in really great shape. We even have a DVD player in the mid row for you, so should be a good car overall. Let me show you how those tie downs work. So you get a set of 4 of these. These are the manual tie downs. We also sell the retractor style for an additional cost. So these lock into the floor, and then this hooks onto the wheelchair. And then you release this to give yourself more slack or less slack when you're tying everything down. Close it up like so. So thank you so much for watching. Let us know if you have any questions. Otherwise, this should be a good vehicle for you. This video goes out to Leah and Levi, our #1 fans. Thanks for watching.